Tucked away in West Plano is the prestigious gated community of Normandy Estates. This premier community offers residents walking trails, a community center, and pool. Welcome to 6817 Amaretto Court. This custom-built home sits on a premier estate lot. Everything about this property was meticulously designed by the current owner, and you will see that no expense was spared starting with the outside. The home has a country French chateau feel, built completely of stone. Welcome inside. I can't wait to give you a tour of this gorgeous estate. Just a few quick facts. This home features 5 bedrooms, 5 full baths, 2 half baths, and it's over 7,300 square feet of living space. When you first enter into the grand foyer, your eye immediately flows up towards this 22-foot ceiling. It really makes a statement with the curved staircase. Let's make our way to the study. I love the details in this room, beginning with the beamed ceiling and the stone fireplace. Now let's head across to the formal dining room. You have beautiful wood molding that leads you into this elegant dining space. As you can see, the current owner has a round table for intimate dinner parties. I could easily see a much larger rectangular table here if you like to host parties for 10 or 12. Just off the dining room, you have a butler's pantry for storage. Now follow me as we head into the great room. The best thing about this room are these windows that overlook this beautiful backyard. This room features 14-foot ceilings, but it still has that cozy feel. And I love this beautiful cast stone fireplace and the built-ins. I can't wait to show you this kitchen. As you can see, it's open to the family room and it makes it perfect for entertaining. This state-of-the-art kitchen features Wolf stainless steel appliances, including the 6-burner gas range with griddle, double ovens, a warming drawer, and 2 dishwashers. You also have a large Sub-Zero refrigerator. My favorite feature is this large island with a gorgeous leathered granite countertop. Just off the kitchen, you have a breakfast area for informal dining and an adjacent bar which is fully equipped with an ice maker and wine fridge. It's perfect for hosting both small and large gatherings. Just down from the bar and family room, you will find the first floor media room. You have a large center screen with dual TVs on either side. This makes this room the ultimate man cave. Also on the first floor is a guest bedroom, which could be a second master suite. The bathroom features his and her sinks and a large glass shower. Now let's head on over to the other side of the house to see the primary suite. Who wouldn't wake up happy every morning once they saw these views? And then this quaint, cozy nook to have coffee or a nightcap with a fire. The luxurious bath features his and hers vanities, a large soaker tub, and a frameless glass steam shower with a rain head. You will find a built-in beverage center with Miele coffee maker and refrigerator. Check out this custom-built closet. And another feature is this bonus area, which is currently being used as a workout room. Before we head upstairs, I want to take you to my favorite room of the house, the wine cellar. This room was meticulously designed to store your premium wine, starting with the fact it has concrete walls on all sides, which helps keep this room cool at all times. Check out this 800-bottle climate-controlled wine fridge. This room is perfect for the wine enthusiast that is looking to showcase and store their most prized bottles. Plus, it's a great place to host an intimate dinner party. Upstairs, you have this large living area that works perfect as a game room, and it also has refrigerator drawers and an ice maker. You also have this beautiful custom built-in entertainment center. This is just a great space to spend time with the family. Completing the second floor are 3 additional bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closets. This home is the ultimate in smart homes. The current owner invested over $140,000 in Control 4 audio, visual, lighting, and security. Welcome to your backyard paradise. This outdoor space was specifically designed with entertaining in mind. You have this spacious covered patio where you can enjoy both dining and living areas. As you can see, the details are continued outside with this gorgeous wood-beamed ceiling and stone fireplace. You also have a built-in Lynx grill and beverage fridge. Imagine relaxing on a cool night on this raised patio with fire pit. And if you love to golf, you have your own private putting green. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to tour this beautiful home. It truly is a special property, and I invite you to tour it personally. So if you would like any additional information on this home, please give me a call or check out our website at janrichey.com. I'm Rosa Collins with the Jan Richey Team Keller Williams, and I'll see you on the next home tour.